Hey Mocha, what you got there? Ah, a box. Let's go open it. Hi, today we're reviewing the XPPen's Magic Drawing Pad. This is XPPen's first standalone tablet. What does it mean? It means that this tablet doesn't need to be connected to any device. Thank you so much for the guys at XPPen for sending it over. I'm going to leave you with a little unboxing. Enjoy! Of course, I gotta leave it charging. I totally forgot. I'm going to make some tea while I wait. Hey, you! Have you ever wondered what monsters are doing in Valentine's Day? Well, start thinking, because I'm making a little contest where you can win some XPPen cool products. All you have to do is imagine a romantic setting with a monster. What are monsters doing in Valentine's Day? Who would you take on a date, maybe? This contest is international, so feel welcome to join. Check my social media for more information. Welp. I ended up going to bed. Took so long. Charger is not very fast. But honestly, the battery has been really durable. I haven't charged it for like 3 days. And I have been using it for this review, so you can imagine. This tablet has an Android operating system, which is convenient for syncing mobile apps in the tablet with your phone, if you happen to have an Android. It also includes a TPU protector case. It's transparent, so you can decorate it any way you want. I'm so grateful that the back of the case has a little pen holder. I'm very clumsy, so I just forget it somewhere. By the way, the pen doesn't need to be charged. You can just pop it out and start creating. The pencil includes a little button that you can use in your drawing programs as a shortcut. The size of the screen is 12.2 inches, which is kinda bigger than my usual working tablet. It has an internal capacity of 256 gigabytes, and its current market price is $4.99. I usually work with Clip Studio Paint, so that's the app that I installed for the review. I noticed that it struggled a bit with big files, like really big files. I usually work in like 4K, 300 dpi illustrations, and it did slow down a bit, but it didn't get warm at all, at least while I worked on it. I also noticed that it struggles to detect inclination with the pen, but that depends entirely on the program and the brushes you use. The screen has a paper-like feel. It's very easy to draw on it, compared to some other portable tablets I've had. They usually have a smooth glass screen, which is not optimal for art. It sort of feels like a Kindle, in the way that the blue light is not really noticeable. It's really low, and it's not hurting my eyes. While I was recording this, I got sick, and I tried the tablet for hours, and my eyes never got sore. The Android operating system has an option for PC use, Also, this tablet comes with some underside pins that kinda hint that you can connect a keyboard to it. So, you can probably use it as a really lightweight, basic PC. Overall, it's a great option for digital artists looking for a professional but cheaper option than the ones currently in the market, because it includes pencil that doesn't need to be recharged, doesn't need to be connected to Bluetooth, nibs, a case, a paper-like screen that usually you need to buy an extra screen protector for it, and 256 GB of memory, so I just think it's pretty neat. Well, that was it. Thanks everyone for listening to this video. I hope it was enjoyable. Bye!